Okay, tour of the farm. There's the truck. There's the carriage barn. This is looking west. The horsey neighbors are way up there. Not the trailer next door, but way up there. And the dairy barn is down behind the house. There's the house. It's looking north now. You gotta get some flowers planted. That looks like poopy. And all the way around to the road and the truck again. That's our circle drive. Fancy circle drive. The cows are going nuts for some reason. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, we're gonna walk Taters, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, come on. There's Taters. Come on. Bio. Watch the burn. Teeny. No eating frogs. Don't do it. Here's the old pig barn. This front pasture. It used to be a pasture. What the hell did you do? Don't stick your nose in the pokers. No frogs and no pokers. Holy Hannah. What the hell was I saying? Oh, front pasture. This used to be a front pasture. And that's where he kept the Belgians and whatnot, the ponies. And the baby cows. And there's the middle pasture. You can still see fencing there. And our property goes pretty much from that tree line at the road all the way along and down to those back trees. And then along the side by the road, the barn, there is an access road. And so it goes up to there. You can pretty much see where that blue bucket is up there. That's right at the edge of the road. And those, I think, are apple trees that the Amishes used to use. What are you doing, Taters? Okay. View of our property from down in the yard. That's looking up towards the truck and the house and the road. That's 12 Mile. Trees are going all along 12 Mile. There's the pig barn. Old pig barn. No pigs there now. And all the trees all the way back. That's looking north to the back of the property. Taters, what did you find? Taters is busy sniffing, looking for frogs. Okay, back of the property, and then there's an access road that runs all the way along there, in the barn. That's the dairy barn. There's a front barn. And there's the back of the house. A little closer to the barn. Okay, down at the barn, there's tractor stuff. And a tractor. And this used to be the standing stalls for the Belgians. And he used to keep the little baby cows penned in up front, kind of behind the tractor. But the manure was probably well over the tractor. He never cleaned the barn. And back here, you can see the apple orchard a little bit better. And the steps to the back of the dairy barn. And that hill there is the access road. Oh, you can kind of see it over there. Anyway. Yeah. Okay, this is further up in front of the barn. We were just down there on that cement pad. Doorway where you used to be able to see the little cows. You can see the tractor. And some big ass plant. Door. So you could go in and be at the front of the cows. And barn. And there's a hay wagon. And a birdhouse my dad built. Whoops. Taters, come here. Taters keeps pulling. There's the buggy. Lots of wood. Looks like styrofoam from up at the carriage house. You can see the dairy thing still up. That door over there goes to the grain room, into like a little tack room. Well, it was our plan to make it a tack room. That didn't work. That didn't work. That's what the tack room. Oh, I see a big ass, huge bee, or hornet, or wasp. That looks like a wasp. Holy Hannah.